Hi, it's Sarah here, Mama and founder of the Creation Station, where we inspire imaginations and nurture potential. We've got a really exciting announcement to make today. Woohoo! We have teamed up with a fantastic folk at Play-Doh to support the teachers and schools across the country with the fantastic work that they do. We know that educational experts and all of the people who work in education really support our kids, and you are under so much pressure from so many different directions for the amazing work that you do. So we want to help by providing 25 schools free Play-Doh educational workshops across the country. And what we've done is we've developed 3 programs for you to choose from, and we'll be selecting the schools based on their location and also based on first come first served basis. So in no particular order, the 3 workshops that we've developed include, the first one is Fantasy Island. This is where children will be getting creative and modelling their own island. And we've got lots of educational benefits linked to this workshop. So for instance, under this programme, the children in the early years foundation stage, the activities will develop the prime areas of learning linked to self-confidence and self-awareness. And this will have specific areas of learning linked to expressive arts and designs and basically being imaginative, which isn't that what we want all of our kids to do. For children in Key Stage 1, the prime area of learning here will be around human and physical geography. So the second workshop that we've developed is called Selfie Time, and this is where children can explore and develop thoughts and ideas around self-awareness topics. So depending on your school, of course, you'll be able to tweak and let us know which areas you specifically want to link it to. So for the Selfie Time for children in the early years foundation stage, the activities are the prime area of learning linked to managing feelings and behaviour, and it will be linked with expressive arts and design and exploring using different medium and materials. And for children in Key Stage 1, this will be linked to the personal, social and emotional development of kids, and will cover areas such as health and well-being. And for the third exciting workshop, I feel like we need a little drum roll here, a little Play-Doh drum roll. It's called Animal Antics. It's a great fun workshop, and it's really hands-on, and it really helps children explore the prime areas of learning in early years foundation stage of communication and learning and language, and discover skills to help to speak and listen in a wide range of situations. There'll also be links to understanding the world through different hands-on activities. And for children in Key Stage 1, the prime areas of learning are very much linked to science, to identify, name and describe a variety of different animals. So hopefully there's enough choice there through those educationally developed workshops to really support your school with the things that you are looking for. Like with anything that we do at Creation Station, they all link to our core purpose, which is to inspire imaginations. And they also link to our core values, and these are very much about giving care, supporting and nurturing each individual person and helping them with whatever comes into their mind and developing their own thoughts and ideas. It's also about having fun. We all learn more when we're enjoying it. So our workshops are very much on the fun side, and we know that your kids are going to love enjoying these workshops. We also ensure quality. It's really key for us to ensure the standards that we operate. All of our franchise owners are DBS checked, health and safety trained, first aid trained, safeguarding trained. All the products we use we have cost sheets for. Not that easy to say, but we have all of the documentation to ensure the quality of our operations, our services, our classes, our after school clubs, everything that we do comply to our high standards of operation. Our other core values include nurturing creativity. We're all different, and what we like to celebrate is the different ideas that people come up with, and celebrate the wonder within and see where they go with their ideas and their imagination. And finally, it's very much about engaging learning. It's that hands-on approach so that children own their own learning. And it's not so much us telling them what to do, but allowing them to spark their imagination and see where that journey of learning takes them. We hope you find this helpful. We hope you're able to apply for one of our programs and really enjoy and share with us our passion to inspire our children's imagination. Thank you very much for watching. Cheerio. Bye bye.